Welcome back to ABIEdu Academy. In our last contract lesson, we learned the 5 elements of a valid contract, but even a properly formed contract can be affected, or even undone, by what happened before or after signing. Today, we cover the key factors that affect the contractual relationship: misrepresentation, duress and undue influence, mistake, rectification, interpretation, privity and assignment, and negotiable instruments. Let's dive in. First, misrepresentation. This is a false statement of fact made by one party that induces the other to enter the contract. Example: a car dealer tells you a car has done 50,000 kilometers when it's really done 150,000. If you relied on that statement to buy, the contract is affected. The law recognizes 3 types of misrepresentation, and the remedy depends on the seller's state of mind. Type 1. Innocent misrepresentation. The person honestly believed the statement was true and had reasonable grounds for that belief. Say, the odometer itself had been tampered with by a previous owner. The main remedy is rescission. The contract is canceled, and both parties are returned to their original positions. Type 2. Negligent misrepresentation. Here, the person made the statement carelessly, without reasonable grounds. The dealer never bothered checking the service history sitting in the glove box. Because they failed in their duty of care, the innocent party can claim rescission and damages for their losses. Type 3. Fraudulent misrepresentation, the most serious. The person knew the statement was false or made it recklessly, not caring whether it was true. The dealer wound the odometer back himself. This is deceit. The victim can rescind the contract and sue for damages, and the fraudster may face further legal consequences. Next, duress and undue influence, both about consent that wasn't truly free. Duress is agreement obtained through threats or pressure. Sign this contract or your business gets hurt. Undue influence is subtler. Someone in a position of trust, a carer, advisor, or family member, abuses that trust to push a person into a contract that benefits them. In both cases, the contract is voidable by the victim. Then, mistake. Sometimes parties contract on the basis of a false assumption. In a shared or common mistake, both parties make the same fundamental error. They contract to sell a cargo that, unknown to both, has already been destroyed. A fundamental shared mistake can make the contract void, as if it never existed. Minor mistakes, though, don't undo a contract. The law expects parties to check their facts. 2 related tools help courts fix and read contracts. Rectification. When a written document fails to record what the parties actually agreed, a court can correct the document to match the true agreement. Interpretation. When contract wording is unclear, courts read the words objectively. What would a reasonable person understand them to mean in context? Ambiguities are often read against the party who drafted the clause. Now, privity of contract. Only the parties to a contract get rights and obligations under it. A third party generally can't sue or be sued on it. If a supplier promises a retailer top-quality goods, the end customer usually can't sue the supplier on that contract. But rights can be transferred through assignment. A party can assign its contractual rights, like the right to receive payment, to someone else, which is exactly how debt collection and invoice factoring work. Finally, negotiable instruments. Special documents that promise payment and can be transferred from person to person. Cheques, bills of exchange, and promissory notes are classic examples. Unlike ordinary assignment, a holder who takes a negotiable instrument in good faith and for value can enforce it in their own right. That easy transferability is what makes them powerful tools in business payments. Let's recap. The contractual relationship can be affected by misrepresentation, innocent, negligent, or fraudulent, by duress and undue influence, and by mistake, including shared mistake. Courts can rectify documents and interpret unclear terms. Privity limits contracts to their parties, assignment transfers rights, and negotiable instruments make payment rights freely transferable. Thanks for watching ABIEdu Academy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more student-friendly business lessons.